Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sustainable income with diversified farming. This easy method involves cultivating a variety of crops and raising different types of livestock on your land. By spreading your efforts across several products, you significantly reduce the financial risks associated with market fluctuations or crop failures. Imagine having 3 or 4 distinct income streams instead of just one, ensuring a more stable and predictable revenue flow for your farm year-round. To diversify effectively, consider integrating livestock, such as a flock of 50 laying hens for daily egg sales, alongside growing a variety of vegetables. You could also plant a small orchard of 20 fruit trees, offering seasonal harvests. Think about specialty crops like lavender or heirloom tomatoes, which command higher prices. Even a small apiary with 5 beehives can provide honey and pollination services, adding another valuable income stream to your operation. Maximizing your income means smart market access. Selling directly to consumers at a local farmer's market can yield 100% of the retail price. Consider a community-supported agriculture, or CSA, program with 20 to 30 subscribers for consistent weekly income. Transform surplus produce into value-added items like artisanal preserves or dried herbs, which can extend shelf life and increase profit margins by 20 to 30%. Even offering farm tours can generate additional revenue. For long-term sustainability, focus on practices that enrich your land. Employ crop rotation across your fields, perhaps rotating corn with beans, to naturally replenish soil nutrients. Using organic methods can increase your product value by 15 to 20%, appealing to a broader customer base. Reinvesting 10 to 15% of your annual profits into new equipment or skill development ensures continuous growth. Regularly evaluate market trends to keep your diversified offerings relevant and profitable for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.